I'm Daria Artem, Chief Confectionery Officer of Lady Fortune's Gourmet Cookie Company, and I'm here to show you how to make fondant smooth. So here's what we're starting with. We have a nice little block of fondant here, and you can start with fondant that you've made from scratch at home or pre-bought, store-bought fondant. I always prefer doing it from scratch because it's so good. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and roll it out just a little bit, make almost like a little well in here. And the whole trick to making smooth fondant is adding a few drops of food grade glycerin. They sell this at any cake and candy supply store. I just put a few drops, not a lot. That's good right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to work that into the fondant. Now, if you feel your hands getting sticky at any point, grab some confectioner's sugar and put it on your working surface and your gloves or your hands. I always recommend working with fondant with gloves on because it's just a lot easier. I'm also going to go ahead and make a little well in here, and we're going to add just a few drops of corn syrup. Corn syrup just makes a more pliable, shiny appearance. It's just really, really, really good for fondant. And we're just going to work that in. Make sure that you're putting sugar on your hands. It's going to give you that beautiful sheen that everybody's looking for. Have a little bit more, sprinkle it over, work surface. And we just work it right into there. Okay, now we're going to knead this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so we've kneaded our fondant, and voila, there we have it. Fondant that's absolutely smooth and delicious and ready to go. For more ideas on fondant and how to decorate with fondant, please go to www.ladyfortunes.com. That's ladyfortunes with an S.com.